there's a pretty healthy culture of classic cars in the UK and
Oh yeah. I
right
mean,
in England.
it's not just UK. I mean, we ship cars to LA. I mean, Dev Patel's Fiat 500, that's going to go on a ship back to
Oh
LA.
no way! Oh, so you're
Yeah.
converting one for LA? Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, yeah.
And there's another car in there that's going to the States. So we ship all over, from South Africa to Australia, New Zealand, to the States, Caribbean. So it's quite international, but we're obviously UK based. So most of our customers are UK or European focused, but we do get a lot of international clients nowadays.
Wow, that's yeah, and especially with the TV show. It's. I mean, it's a big
Yeah,
advertisement. I mean, you know what I mean? Like,
I thought it would actually really explode the business with the TV show, but I've not seen that. If I'm honest,
really,
no. I mean, I've seen it grow, and I've seen it like pick up a little bit because of the TV show. But was it because of the TV show, or was it just the mass adoption of electric vehicles is starting to really get going now? So I
yeah.
didn't see that huge like, oh my god, the TV show's out, it's crazy, everybody answer the phones. It didn't really happen like that, which I'm pleased about. I mean,
You were
we
already swamped.
yeah, oh, yeah, we got 45 cars in the waiting list. It's
Wow.
nuts. So
Yeah. What is the timeline on the waiting list? Because I know Michael tells people 5 years. He's like, nah, come back in 5 years. Because Michael thinks more like he doesn't want to do the conversion shop. He wants to engineer all these cool projects, right? And I get it,
yeah,
because it's
so do I.
converting. It's I mean it's hard work.
Yep, yeah,
Yeah, dealing with customers and stuff, right? It's like, and then
yeah.
every new car that comes in, every customer wants to do the weird car that they have, which is cool. They should, um, but you're
Yeah,
like, I'm starting from zero, kind of thing.
I think Michael does a lot more web shop than we do. I mean, we don't really do much web shop. I mean,
Uh,
I would hazard a guess at Michael's business is probably 80% web shop, 20% like conversions. We're probably
yeah.
the flip. We are 80% conversions, 20% like parts that we ship out to customers.
I see. Yeah,
Um,
yeah,
so yeah, I mean the conversions are it's not easy, that's for sure. Otherwise, everybody would be doing it.
yeah,
The conversions are difficult from a number of standpoints. From the fabrication point of view, I mean, how are we going to fit these batteries where batteries didn't fit before? How are we going to safely secure them? So we've designed our own battery boxes for different types of batteries, from Tesla batteries through to Cal batteries through to LG batteries. We've got our own designed battery box internals that hold them all securely. So you got the fabrication stage of figuring out where everything's going to go. Then you got the electrical sort of things of like, okay, now we've got the batteries in there. How are we going to actually wire from here to there and cable this from there to there? And that all of these is, you've got this safety overhead all the time of like, okay, anybody can throw some batteries in a box, run some cables from A to B and make a car go. But if you're handing that over to a customer who's
yeah,
maybe never had a classic car before and never had an electric vehicle before, and certainly just wants to get in it and drive it like a Tesla, you need to make sure that these things are reliable, safe, idiot proof, and just essentially put a lot of R&D time into making sure that what you're producing as a package is bang on. And that's the bit that I enjoy doing. I mean, Michael's like it as well. He's an engineer, likes coming up with new solutions and overcoming problems. I'm the same. I really like to have that challenge of like, a new car coming in that we've not done before. Okay, how are we going to do this? Um,
yeah,
but it's always with that overhead of like, when this goes out the door, if it's going to like America and it breaks down, we got a
yeah,
problem. So we
yeah,
need to always put a lot of R&D into making sure that the stuff is super, super reliable and not have any comeback or very little if there's something that can be sorted out, and make them safe. So that's kind of always our overarching thing in the back of our minds when vehicles go out, which is why we put on new vehicles we've never done before. We put we put like 500 miles on them, 1,000 miles, and sometimes to test them. Over hot months, cold months, because obviously we got a climate. Unlike you guys, we got climate. We can look out the door sometimes and have 3 foot of snow, and then other times, it can be like shorts and t-shirt and shades weather. So we got to account for the fact that batteries need to be warmed up, cooled down, etc. Whereas you got a very nice ambient temperature over in California.
Yeah, it's just always sunny in California.
Yeah.
And even when it's
Send it
not, it's
over to
sunny.
us. Send it to us.